Hejsan from Stockholm and beach day number 62 on my Sweden beach adventures on this wonderful Thursday, 13th of June. It has been mostly cloudy so far, but now I saw some ray of sunlight, so I just now said, let's go! I want to show you the sun of today, but it's gonna be both sunny and cloudy today. Quite chilly in the air, 16 degrees Celsius, and I already measured the temperature in Lake Magelungen. It's 19 degrees Celsius, and it has been quite a while since I have shown you and a beach adventure from this lake. This is actually the closest lake to my home. The nearest beach being Fagerhöbrygga, 3 kilometers from my home. This is Farsta Strandbad, 5 kilometers from my home. So it's very convenient to get here for me with a bicycle. It takes me between 10 and 12 minutes. So very fast and perfect for a quick lunch swim here in Farsta. Farsta is a neighborhood in Stockholm, in the southern part of Stockholm, in the southern suburbs. Very densely populated. But if you see the beach today, that doesn't tell you that, because people are usually avoiding the beach when it is a bit of rainy / cloudy weather. But I am the only person that is going for a swim regardless of the weather conditions. And yes, this is Beach Adventures with Chris, my channel, and I am showing you different beach locations in Stockholm and Sweden and the world on my channel. Yes, now Lake Magelungen looks amazing, and that is Farsta Strandbad that has both sandy and green part, and they have renovated this jetty now. It was up for reconstruction, so it looks amazing now and quite a different color than on the beach promenade on the other side where I was usually hanging out when I come here for a swim in Farsta. Now let's then take a swim and see how the water is. But I have been swimming in this lake so many times before, especially last year when I was training for my triathlon, Olympic triathlon competition. I was basically swimming from here to the other side. I was doing triangles all the way almost to the bridge over there. It was amazing. And let's see, let's go with this. There are two entrances. Let's go with this one that's closer to the sandy beach. There are lots of geese today on the beach, or actually every day, because this is their natural habitat, obviously, their home, and we as people are invading their home. Or actually we are sharing the same nature. What I'm trying to say is, but yeah, it's nice and good. Time for a swim at Farsta Strandbad. 19 degrees in the lake. It's amazing. Oh, it's very okay. I'm not sure why do they have steps here, because it's not that deep at all. I can stand. But anyway, let's go. Yes, I remember the taste of Magelungen, this beautiful lake that's closest to my home, and I still don't understand why it is so shallow over here, but you can swim anyway as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take a short swim here and enjoy a bit more. But yeah, I'm gonna give you some view also of the beach, how it looks like. And you can see also the swimming pool, the indoor swimming pool, Farsta Badet. That's very close to the beach, just 200 meters. And on the other side, across the lake, is Farsta Neset, a neighborhood with summer houses, and the bridge that connects Farsta with Augusta, another beautiful nature reserve. Everything is nature in Stockholm, basically. Cool. Thank you so much for following my beach adventures. Greetings from Farsta Strandbad in Stockholm, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!